Today we'll be discussing about a new topic which is called as influence of culture on consumer behavior. So the term culture, if it is discussed in the West, especially in the United States, it's a very simple phenomenon. It doesn't get complex. It's a very simple and a very straightforward phenomenon. In fact, US doesn't have a culture of its own. It's an all-in-one country. All of us know about it. But if you are coming to the eastern part of the hemisphere, that is when things get complex. Especially when you are coming to India, things get really complex because all of us are a heterogeneous bunch. We are so heterogeneous. We have so many languages, we have so many cuisines, we have so many preferences. It gets really complex. So as a marketeer, it's very important to be sensitive about this particular term called as culture. Now I'll be displaying a particular picture on your screen for 10 seconds. Please look at it. Okay, I want to ask you a question. This particular toy, do you think a typical Indian housewife will purchase this particular toy to her kids? I'm sure most of you must be saying no, right? I'm sure all of us are on the same plane. Understand what is happening right now. This particular toy is chemical free. That's the first USP. This particular toy is prepared by a brand which donates 50% of its profits to the needy. Third, this particular toy is handmade by the finest experts in this planet. So three USPs are coming together for a simple toy. So this particular toy is a high quality toy, but still you are not having success in the global platform, especially in India. Why? Absence of the term culture. A typical Indian housewife won't purchase this particular toy for her kids. Saudi Arabian housewife is dur ki baat. So at the moment, you can't be like, "Arey, it's such a cute toy. I mean, what's the big deal about it, etc." It's not important to think the way you are thinking right now. As a marketeer, what is your job? To be sensitive about your target segments, emotions and perceptions, and keeping culture at the forefront. So if you are a marketing person, marketing manager who is sensitive about this particular term called as culture, you need to keep two things in your mind. The first thing is, how can I integrate my brand with the local culture? That's the first.